New digital bank has been launched, a financial app offering secure and user-friendly banking services worldwide. This strengthens financial inclusion in the country, providing easy access to open accounts, send money, pay bills, and purchase mobile loads. Our Bien Manalo tells us more in this report.
VBank Digital Bank is formally launched, the groundbreaking financial app designed to provide secured and user-friendly digital banking services to our citizens worldwide. This will make any financial services and financial inclusion efforts in the country more convenient. Users can open a bank account through the digital app and completely spare themselves the paperwork and long queues. Through the app, one can send money to just about any commercial bank or digital wallet to pay bills and even buy mobile phone loads. In addition, the app also provides access to modern financial tools no matter one's locations on the planet. Even more, it responds to the needs of each user and small business that bodes well for personal growth and economic development.
Ito sa bahay lang sila, so they could save time and money. Kung mga nagtatrabaho abroad, Amerika, Canada, Australia, masisaan, ditang tumibang walang bayad. Malaking tipid sa mga overseas workers natin.
According to the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, nearly 80% of Filipinos still do not have a bank account, most of whom totally depend on the unreliable informal financial system. That's why this innovative digital app was created to cater to citizens who belong to or are considered part of the underserved community. Bien Manalo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.